Far too often, the first encounter, the first meeting, the first introduction of our kids and law enforcement and first responders is during a crisis or an emergency. Their anxiety is escalated, their behaviors are escalated, everything's tense. It's a recipe for disaster. How helpful would it be? God forbid, if you're having an emotional crisis, if you're having an emergency with your child, if you need help at 2 o'clock in the morning, for the police officers, the very individuals, first responders coming to your home in that emergency, if they already knew your child, if they already knew your family, if they knew your child's triggers, what sets them off, de-escalation techniques specific to your child. They already knew him and had a relationship with him. How helpful would that be? My name is Captain Jerry Turning. You may know me as Mr. Bacon. I've been a police officer for 25 years. I've been a special needs dad for 17 years. Yes, training for our first responders is critical, and I am working my butt off getting that done. That's only half the equation. I have developed a 5-step mini workshop. It's going to lead you from start to finish on how to do this, how to introduce yourself and your families to your individual first responders and establish a meaningful, impactful relationship that could last for the rest of their lives. I'm going to show you everything I've learned over 25 years in law enforcement about rank structure of police departments, about how personnel are assigned, the tasks, who the best people to call, what to say when you call them, the right tone to strike, who to reach out to. If you want to establish a meaningful relationship to the very people who are going to come to your house in an emergency. I'm even going to show you some insider tips that's going to teach you how to overcome objections or adversity or barriers that may jump in front of you as you try to do this. I'll be your guide, I'll be your coach, I'll be your mentor, I'll be your cheerleader, I'll be your secret weapon to get this done. I truly believe this may be the single most important step you can take to ensure that your child with special needs is understood, is safe, is respected, and has empathy from the individual first responders in your community. Join me, let's build bridges.